Hello, this is Landon Ritchie from Design Visionaries, and in this video I'd like to show you how to create a section view with an inherited rotational view. What I mean by this is that there are some cases when you want to make a section view and the view doesn't exactly come out the way you'd like. For instance, if I wanted to get a section view across from this point to, say, this point, what would happen is I would try to put my section view in so that they would line up like so, and when I bring it over, when I bring the view over, you'll notice it's kind of rotated a little bit, and depending on the degree from the center point, or the flat view, the more this is going to be rotated, and this will not, it doesn't look good in a drawing to have these weird rotated views. It'd be nice to have everything, horizontal and vertical. So I'd like to show you how that can be accomplished. Many times, a lot of people were struggling because they would try to edit the view, and that rotate view is not available in the section view when you click edit, like it would be if you were to edit this view. You have the Orient View tool, but that's not available. So a way to correct this, let's just delete that section view really quick, is first I'm going to create a view that I want to inherit from. One of the cool things about creating a section view is there is at least an inherit button, but you don't want to inherit from just a simple side view. Well, I'll show you the reason why. Let me just put a side view in here. Front, right. I think this would be actually right. Oh, yeah. Okay. So actually, it might be better just to do a projected view from this one. So that is the orientation that we'd like to see in our section view. Now, what happens is if you try to do a section view, and we'll go a little more crazy with this. So we'll say, let's go here, and we'll say that, we'll chop along this line here, like so. Oh, why is it doing that? Oops. I don't think I can do it after I've placed it, though. Yeah, so what I need to do, let's see, I think I've clicked the button too many times. Let me just do that again. So we want to specify the location right here, and we're going to place this, specify location. Parent view. That's not it. Where is it? Orientation. Inherit orientation. Here we are. So we want to inherit the orientation of this, and then we'll just do a horizontal. No, not a horizontal. We need to do dynamic. And we want something pretty obscure from the original axis here. So let's try that. Now I'm going to move this over. And as you can see, it really rotated it, but you only got a partial cut, and it's kind of at an angle. So that's not really what we want to go for. So what we need to do is we need to find out the angle that we're going to be doing the section view from. So one way to do that, we could just create a simple line, a temporary line. I think I have to actually make this the active sketch view. And we'll say we're going to, let's just go from here to here. And I just want to know what the angle is between this guy and this guy. So it's 32.036. All right. Close. 32.036. So then what we need to do is we need to create a view, and it's going to be, let's just go ahead and make the top view, and I'm going to do Orient View Tool, And I believe we want this axis, and then we want to select the X direction as this. There we go. So now we have the view facing the same way as our right view, the view that's on the right here, but we need to angle this. See, the Z is pointing at us, so if I were to turn that, I need to rotate it along the Z. We need to rotate it along the Z backwards. Whoops. Didn't like me typing the negative first. So say 32.036 minus, enter that. We'll hit OK. We'll drop our view in like so. And we'll just move that over. And now let's go ahead and do our section view. So we'll just do this little section view. And unfortunately, it is a tedious job to do this in NX. I'll show you the other alternative way to do this, which might be easier depending on how you want to do it. But you know, it's hard to do the other way without the section lines. So we'll go ahead and do our section view real quick. So we want that, and we definitely want that here. We want to hit inherit orientation from this one, and then we're going to use our section line should be on the same axis there as what we measured, so we want there. So we'll pick that. Yep. And let me move that over. Oh, looks like I picked it the wrong way. I guess I didn't need to go backwards, so that's fine. Let's do a new section view. I guess I need to pick this side. Let's see, probably going this way. And let me make sure I hit inherit orientation right here on the view origin. Pick the one I just did. And let's see, so if I rotate it the wrong way, I think I need probably this one here. All right, there we go. And we'll drag that over. Now, as you can see, I have and I don't need this angle anymore. I can just delete that. I could even go into the view and delete that sketch now. I don't even need that either. Delete that. Yeah, let's get rid of that too. So now I have a section view using the standard section view at an angle, and I don't have a rotated view. And as you can see, it's planar on the cut. So I can get all the model details and dimension this and everything, and not have to worry about those weird rotated views. And then the cool thing is I can just delete that, and it will retain its orientation from then on. So I don't need that view anymore. So this is how you do a section view at an angle, but keep the section view that you're creating planar to the cut. Again, this is Landon Ritchie from Design Visionaries, and for more tips, tricks, and videos like this, please check us out at designvisionaries.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.